Wix, how to change URL of a page. If you want to change the URL of a page on Wix, it is actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up your browser, then go to manage.wix.com that you can see right here. Now, once you're here on the dashboard, you want to go to the site editor by just clicking the edit site button from the top right hand side. Once you click on the edit site button from the top right, you'll be taken to the Wix website editor right here. So what you have to do from here is, let's say that I would like to change the URL of a certain page. So whenever I want someone to go to the shop page, I want the URL to be my website / shop or other type of URL. I can customize that by going first of all to pages and menu option on the left hand side. Then I can just go to this site menu option or other pages, right? Now, whichever page I want to change the URL, I will select that URL and I will select the three dots option and go to the settings button first. From settings, you can see a couple of permissions. What you want to go to this option called SEO Basics, where you can see URL Slug, last part of the page's URL. Currently, mine is /shop, or you can go ahead and then shop with us. You can just give this any of the URL, and you can also connect a custom domain to your site, and it will automatically redirect users from the old URL to the old one. So this is a simple way on how you can go ahead and then just change the URL of a certain page on your website on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.